We've all heard a lot about the health benefits of eating eggs daily. Eggs are a golden food, packed with a wide range of essential nutrients more than almost any other food. But there's one part of the egg that most people know very little about: the eggshell. Usually, we just throw the eggshell away. That's truly a missed opportunity. Some people who are more informed use crushed eggshells to fertilize plants or feed chickens, noticing excellent results. This means eggshells actually contain many valuable nutrients. So, can we use eggshells for ourselves? Is it safe to eat them? And how can we consume eggshells in the most beneficial way? That's exactly what Fact First wants to talk about today. Let's jump right into the key takeaway so you don't have to wait. According to some studies, we're missing out on an incredible source of calcium when we throw away eggshells. Yes, eggshells are completely edible, and there are several ways to prepare them for consumption. In fact, eating eggshells opens the door to a treasure trove of nutrients, from preventing osteoporosis to improving heart health and even oral hygiene. Eggshells might just be one of nature's best-kept health secrets. Now, Fact First will break down the key benefits of eggshells one by one for you. 1. Eggshells are an excellent source of calcium. One average eggshell can provide twice the daily recommended amount of calcium for an adult. Just half an eggshell a day can be enough. That's because the hard outer layer is made of about 94% calcium carbonate, along with protein and other minerals such as magnesium. Each gram of eggshell contains roughly 380 milligrams of calcium, the most common bone-building mineral in nature. Half an eggshell equals about 1,000 milligrams of calcium, meeting the daily need for most adults. Instead of relying on supplements, you can use this natural source to keep your bones healthy and prevent related disorders. 2. Eggshells can help treat osteoporosis. Yes, you heard that right. The calcium from eggshells has caught the attention of researchers studying osteoporosis. A 2003 study published in the International Journal of Clinical Pharmacology Research showed that eggshell powder contains not only calcium but also elements like fluorine and strontium, which support strong bones and cartilage. Clinical studies on postmenopause women showed that consuming eggshell powder reduced osteoporosis-related pain and improved mobility. Some randomized controlled trials even found that combining eggshell powder with vitamin D helped prevent bone loss in women at high risk for osteoporosis. 3. Eggshells may speed up wound healing. According to Jacqueline, a public health nutritionist and professor at Sax University in the U.S., the eggshell membrane contains nutrients like glycosaminoglycans, which promote cell growth and healing. These nutrients may speed up skin regeneration and reduce inflammation. Eggshell collagen also helps people with joint inflammation and arthritis, as it supports tissue repair and reduces discomfort. 4. Eggshells may protect tooth enamel. Eggshell powder is being studied for its ability to remineralize tooth enamel. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research showed that when eggshell powder is mixed with glycerin and applied to demineralized teeth, enamel regeneration was observed. Compared to other calcium sources, eggshells have lower levels of harmful substances like lead, aluminum, cadmium, and mercury. Eggshells can also be used to produce bioceramic materials like those used for dental implants. 5. Eggshells may reduce inflammation. The outer shell isn't the only useful part. Eggshell membranes have also shown promise in reducing joint-related conditions such as arthritis, lupus, gout, and back pain. These conditions are often treated with medications that carry risks to the heart or digestive system. In contrast, eggshell membranes may reduce pain and discomfort without the harmful side effects, making them a gentle and effective natural remedy. Now that Fact First has shared 5 powerful benefits of eggshells, let's look at how to safely prepare and consume them. How to eat eggshells. Method 1. Raw eggshells not recommended. This method keeps all nutrients intact but may pose health risks. Steps: wash the shells thoroughly with clean water. Soak in salted water overnight to soften. Scrub to remove sharp edges. Rinse again and cut into small pieces. Add to food or drink, chewing well before swallowing. Warning: this method can cause mouth or stomach injuries due to sharp fragments. Improper cleaning can also leave harmful bacteria behind. That's why Fact First doesn't recommend eating raw eggshells. Method 2. Roasted eggshells recommended. Roasting helps soften the shell and eliminate bacteria. Steps: clean and soak in salt water. Cut into small pieces, spread on a baking tray, and roast at 180 degrees C 356 degrees F for 10 minutes. Let cool, then eat with food or drinks. This method is safer, retains most calcium, and improves flavor. Just avoid overheating or overcooking to prevent losing nutrients. Method 3. Grind into powder. Best method. This is the safest and most digestible way to consume eggshells. Steps: wash and dry the eggshells thoroughly. Roast them at 180 degrees C for 10 minutes to kill bacteria. Let cool and grind into a fine powder using a blender or coffee grinder. Store in an airtight container. Add a small amount to smoothies, soups, or meals. Fact First recommends this method as the best way to unlock the full health benefits of eggshells naturally and safely.